Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on OPPO A57s. And to do this we'll need to open up our settings. Here scroll all the way down to find the system settings, navigate to gestures and motions, and right here we can find all of them. So now let's check how they work. And the first one is screen off gestures. I'm gonna cover it at the end. First, let's go through all of these. So there's a swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. You can enable or disable that setting, and that way, if it's enabled, you can take a screenshot by swiping down 3 fingers. Touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a screenshot, and that will be partial or scrolling screenshot. So do it like this, and now you can select the portion of the screen you want to take a screenshot for. Next one is Raise to Wake, and here if you enable it and lock your device and pick it up, it should wake your phone. I think it works only if you have a full hand grip on it, so keep that in mind while working with this setting. Next one is Lift to Ear to answer a call. I can't show you exactly if and how it works, but by a quick explanation, you can pick up your phone and lift it to your ear to answer the call. Auto switch to receiver, automatically switch to receiver when you lift your phone to your ear. That's what works the same way as a answer for calls, but for a receiver. You can flip to mute incoming calls. If you enable it and put your phone like this, all calls should be muted. Now let's move to the screen off gestures, which work probably only when your screen is off. So double tap to wake up or turn off a screen, and it works like this. Let's turn it off. Okay, the turn off doesn't work. Does it? Or I'm missing something. Double tap to wake up, wake or turn off screen. I think that, yeah, because that only works on a screen off, so that was kind of dumb from me. Now let's try it. So to wake up, double tap, and to lock, double tap again. Works fine. And next one is draw O to open a camera. Let's try that on locked screen. So the camera turns on. Next one is draw V to turn on flashlight or turn it off. Works fine. And turns off the same way. And next things, music control. Use 2 fingers to draw the pause to on screen to stop or resume music, playback, and draw the arrows to play previous or next songs. I can show you that also, but it works as it says, and it's for the lock screen. And here you can enable any other motions and gestures, like draw arrow pointing up to open a calculator, slide up to and here you can, I guess, select a different thing to open. There's a slide down, slide left, slide right for any different apps, draw M for a Google Assistant, or you can adjust any other app, and draw W to launch a recorder by default. You can also change it to any other function. And that's all of the gestures and motion on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.